Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous video we have discussed till question number 6 of exercise 9th B. Now today in the continuation, let's start with the question number 7. Question number 7 is, you spend 7.5 hours out of 24 hours. How much? 7.5 hours of 24 hours. Okay, what percent of a day is this? A day means 24 hours, right? Now we need to find the percentage of the 7.5 hour of a day. It means 24 hours, right? So first of all, convert this mixed fraction into the improper. This is 7.5 hour means 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15 upon 2. Let's convert it into the decimal. 2 sevens are 14. 1 is remaining. Put decimal here. 0. 2 fives are 10. So we can write it as 7.5 hour of one day. It means 24 hours, right? Now write it as percent. First of all, numerator 7.5 hour and denominator will be 24 hour. To write as percentage, multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Now simply solve it. Hours to hours cancel out. Remove decimal, put 10 in denominator. 10 to 10 cancel out. 2 12s are 24, 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. This is equals to 25 multiply 5 upon 4%. 25 multiply 5 is 125 upon 4%. Now you can convert it into the decimal. 125 divide by 4. 4 3s are 12. Subtract 0. Copy down the next digit. 4 1s are 4. Subtract 1. Put decimal. Take 1 0. 4 2s are 8. You already have decimal, so you can take 1 0. 4 5s are 20. Clear? So here you are getting 31.25%. So this is your answer. Next question, question number 8. A certain alloy means a mixture, consists 3 parts of tin to 5 parts of copper. So 3 part is tin and 5 part is copper. So we can say that the ratio will be 3:5. Then what is the percentage composition of the alloy? It means हमें find out करना है what is the percentage of tin in alloy and what is the percentage of copper in alloy. Okay, so in ratio you have studied how you can find the part of tin and copper in alloy. Sum of the ratios 3 plus 5 will be 8. Now part of tin will be ratio of tin, which is 3 in numerator. Sum of the ratios 8. Right? This is the part of tin. But they are asking in percent. So multiply it by 100 and put percent sign. Similarly for copper, ratio of the copper 5 in denominator. Sum of the ratios 8. And for converting it into the percent, multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Now simply solve them. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. This is 25 multiply 3 in numerator. 25 3s are 75. So write here 75 upon 2%. Divide 75 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Subtract 1. 5 copy down. 2 7s are 14. subtract 1, put decimal here, take 1 0, 2 5s are 10. So here you are getting 37.5%. This is the percent of tin in the alloy. Similarly, find the copper in alloy. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 25 5s are 125 and numerator upon 2%. Now divide 125 by 2. 125 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं. 2 6 are 12, subtract 0, copy down 5. 2 2s are 4, subtract 1, put decimal, take 1 0, 2 5s are 10. So here you are getting 62.5. So the percent of copper in alloy is 62.5%. This is your answer. Next question, question number 9. The price of muffin increase from 4 rupees to 5 rupees. Okay, 4 से क्या हो जाता है, 5 हो जाता है. What is the percentage increase? So old price of muffin is, or you can say actual price is 4. New price of muffin they have given increase to 5. Okay, now increase in price. प्राइस में कितना इंक्रीज हुआ है? ₹5 माइनस ₹4. ₹5 में से ₹4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो इंक्रीज इन प्राइस इज ₹1. राइट. नाउ फॉर्मूला ऑफ इंक्रीज परसेंट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? इंक्रीज upon actual price, or you can say old price, multiply 100. This is the formula of increase percent. So simply put the value. Increase is ₹1. ₹1 increase है. Actual price means old price ₹4. Multiply 100. Rupees to rupees cancel out. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Now 25 1s are 25. So the increase is, increase कितना हो गया? 25%. This is your answer. Next question number 10. The number of people employed in a firm decrease from this to this. Now this is decreasing. So number of people decreased. कितने decrease हो गए हैं? 240 से कितने हो गए हैं? 210. So number of people decreased 30 people decrease हो गए हैं. They are asking find the percentage decrease. So decrease percent formula is decrease percent is equals to decrease upon number of employee which were in starting, multiply by 100. Okay, put the values here. Decrease is 30. Number of employee in the starting were 240. Multiply by 100. 0 to 0 cancel out. 3 8s are 24. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So this is 25 upon 2. Divide 25 by 2. 2 1s are 2. Subtract 0. Copy down the next digit. 2 2s are 4. Subtract 1. Put decimal. Take 1 0. 2 5s are 10. Right. So what you are getting? 12.5. This is equals to 12.5. So the decrease is 12.5%. This is your answer. Next question number 11. The speed of a train is 80 km/h. Actual speed they have given 80 kilometer per hour, right? It increased to this. New speed क्या हो जाती है 130 kilometer per hour, right? Now what is the increase? कितना increase हुआ है? Subtract कर लेते हैं 130 kilometer per hour minus 80 kilometer per hour. This is equals to 50 kilometer per hour. Right, this is the increase. They are asking increase percent, so this is equals to increase upon actual speed multiply by 100. Put the values here. Increase is 50 kilometer per hour. Actual speed is 80 kilometer per hour. Multiply 100. Now solve it. Kilometer per hour to kilometer per hour cancel out. 0 to 0 cancel out. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So this is 25 5s are 100. 25 upon 2. When you will calculate it, you will get 62.5. So the increase percent is 62.5%. This is your answer. Now the next part of question number 11. The speed of a train is this. Actual speed is again 80 kilometer per hour. Decreased to 65 kilometer per hour. In previous part it was increased. Now this is decreased to 65 kilometer per hour. They are asking find the percentage decrease. Okay, so decrease speed we can find from 80 kilometer per hour subtract 65 kilometer per hour, right? This is equals to 15 kilometer per hour. Now the formula of decrease percent will be decrease upon actual speed multiply by 100. Put the values. Decrease in speed is 15 kilometer per hour. Actual speed is 80 kilometer per hour. Multiply by 100. Now solve it. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 6s are 30. Now 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So this is equals to 25 multiply 3 is 75 upon 4. Kilometer per hour to kilometer per hour cancel out. Now solve it. 75 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. Subtract 3. 4 8s are 32. Subtract 3. Put decimal. Take 0 here. 4 7s are 28. Subtract 2. You already have taken decimal, so you can put 0 here. 4 5s are 20. So this is equals to 18.75. So decrease percent is equals to 18.75%. This is your answer. Next question, question number 12. A 4-meter elastic band is increased to 10%. Okay, it means the actual length of the elastic is 4 meter. And length increased by 10%. 10% increase हो रही है, it means 10% of elastic, which is 4 meter. Solve it. 10% means 10 upon 100. Of means multiply 4 meter. 0 to 0 cancel out. This is equals to 4 meter upon 10. You have power of 10 in denominator, so directly put decimal. We have 1 0 in denominator now, so we will put decimal before one digit here, right? So we will put decimal here, so we can write it as 0.4 meter. Clear? New length will be equals to actual length plus length increased. Right? Actual length was 4 meter plus length increase हो गई है 0.4 meter. How do you add decimal numbers? 4 meter means 4.0 meter. Then 0.4 meter, add them 4.4 meter, right? So this is equals to 4.4 meter. So the new length of elastic is 4.4 meter. This is your answer. So students, today we have discussed from question number 7 to question number 12. In next video, we will start with the question number 13. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.